earlier this week I posted for a free paint job, and how this got started was I was actually painting some patio furniture, and I went to my local hardware store and I was looking at all these cheap paints, and I was like, man, I could paint a car with this. So I made the Facebook post. I said free paint job, send a picture of your car, comment, and I'm gonna pick a winner on Friday. So a lot of you guys have submitted your cars and everything, but I had to pick a very specific car for this. I couldn't pick a super nice car, and I couldn't, So basically what I'm gonna do, this video I'm gonna make for this car is gonna be a tutorial how to paint your car for as cheap as possible. Our budget is $50, and if we go below that, that's gonna be awesome. I found a car that would work best. This is a little Suzuki Samurai, and the owner of the vehicle is Cole Moore. He's gonna go to the hardware store with me. We're gonna pick the paint of his choice. We're gonna take it to the shop. We're gonna sand it down, tape it, paint it. Now, in this video I'm gonna make for a tutorial, I'll show you the paints you're supposed to be using for an overall, paint job showroom quality. I'll show you all the materials we use in the shop to do our high quality paint jobs. Now, on the other hand, on the other table, I will show you the materials to paint your car for $50 or under. It's gonna be great. So stay tuned for this video. We're gonna drop it next week, probably Friday. So I'll be putting Facebook posts out, updating you guys on this process. But the video on YouTube's gonna drop on Friday next week. So please subscribe, like our Facebook page. Follow me on TikTok. It don't matter, the Bearded Paint Guy. So